Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tiffany. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make flaxseed gel at home and from scratch. So, what are flax seeds? They are small oil seeds that contain omega-3 fats, fiber, and other compounds. And the gel is made by soaking or boiling the flax seeds to release their natural oils. This results into a thick, sticky gel that can be put on the hair or on the skin. Let's get started. You just need 2 ingredients, and these are the flax seeds and water. So there are 2 methods that you can use to make the flaxseed gel. The first method is by boiling water separately and then adding your flaxseed, and finally leaving it to cool until it forms the gel-like consistency. The second method, and that is what we are going to be doing today, is adding your flax seeds into a pot and then adding water. The quantity of flax seeds as well as the water depends on the amount of gel you want to make. The more water you put, the lighter the consistency of the gel, and the less water you put, the thicker the consistency of the gel. Personally, I eyeball all the ingredients, so there are no specifics to the quantities that I use. When using this second method to make the gel, I ensure that the heat is on low to prevent killing of any active components in the ingredients, since that will take away the benefits. And I also ensure that it's not on the heat for very long. Speaking of the benefits, some of the benefits of the flaxseed gel on hair include: it helps nourish and strengthen the hair, it makes hair flexible and less prone to breakage, it reduces hair fall and promotes hair growth, and finally, helps to detangle the hair, reducing frizz and giving it a healthy shine. So throughout this video, you see me stirring continuously, and this is to ensure that no seeds get stuck to the bottom of the pot. I also check the consistency of the gel, and once it forms a syrup-like consistency, I remove it from the heat and let it cool down just a bit before straining it into a separate container. You can also strain it using a cloth, but for me I prefer to start with a sieve and finishing it up with a cloth, since on cooling down the gel becomes thicker and doesn't easily pass through the sieve. I hope I made sense. So making flaxseed gel is that easy. Ensure to store it in the refrigerator to slow down the growth of any harmful bacteria, and remember there are no preservatives, hence it has a minimal shelf life. I prefer making a batch that I know I'll use and finish because we don't want to store it for way too long. Random hair fact of the week. Flaxseed gel is considered a film-forming humectant. If you don't know what a humectant is, I mentioned it in my previous video, so kindly check it out in the description box below. So the flaxseed gel forms a protective layer on the hair strand that helps lock in the moisture, preventing damage and improving the overall appearance of your hair. And that's the random hair fact of the week. So this is what I meant when I said the gel becomes thicker on cooling. It doesn't pass through the sieve, and now we have to use the cloth in order to get the remaining gel. When using a cloth, ensure the material isn't too thick, as that will make it hard for the gel to go through. And I prefer working in portions to make sure I get most of the gel out of the remaining seeds, since they tend to be kinda slimy. As I was doing the remaining portion, I put too many seeds, and the pressure of me squeezing out the gel made the cloth get a hole, and that's why I prefer working with smaller portions. This is the final consistency of the gel, not too thick and not too light. For application purposes, I transfer it to a root comb applicator bottle as I find this less messy. And that is how you make your flaxseed gel at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Fossy hair content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I love hearing from you, so drop a comment below or any questions that you may have. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep rocking those beautiful curls.
No